Yeah, late nights again. You know how it goes. Yeah, I seen your story, you look happy now. Different city lights when you move around. You got that I'm good type of energy, but I know that look ain't fooling me. We used to ride through the east side slowly, windows down while you told me your dreams. Now it's just me in these cold seas, tryna turn heartbreak into gold stream. You said I changed cause the life got faster. Too many calls that I wouldn't answer. Too many nights in the studio, chasing hits while we fell through cracks, girl. And I still got your voice in my head, certain things that you said hit different after midnight when I'm alone in this bed. Text me when it rains outside, when the city got you in your feelings, when the silence hits too hard and you need somebody real in it. I know you act like you moved on, but some connections don't fade easy. Text me when it rains outside, you don't gotta say you need. I've been up taking flights overseas, still got pain underneath this LV. Everybody sees the highlights, nobody sees what it cost me. You know me better than these new girls, they just see chains and the views, girl. You seen days I had doubts before the money and the rooms filled. And maybe timing did us dirty, maybe pride made it worse. See, two people who don't say sorry usually end up as memories. Yeah. So if the night gets too quiet and you start thinking about us again, you know where I'm at. Text me when it rains.